rolling plains in southwest Oklahoma. The current time is 5:49 p.m. Central Daylight Time. The 5 p.m. observations at Childress, the temperature was 73 degrees, dew point 33 degrees, and the relative humidity 23%. The wind was north at 20 miles an hour, and the pressure 30.14 inches and falling. Elsewhere across Texas, a sunny sky at Amarillo, 69. A mostly sunny sky at Lubbock, 75. North wind 16 miles an hour, gusting to 24. Midland had a sunny sky and 77 degrees. North wind 10 miles an hour, gusting to 17. Dallas, 75 degrees. 79 at Austin. At Houston, 76. Other locations of interest: at Hobart, it was mostly sunny, 71 degrees. North wind at 15 miles an hour, gusting to 24. At Oklahoma City, it was mostly sunny with a temperature of 70 degrees. It was sunny at Dodge City, 67. Once again at 5 p.m. at Childress, the temperature was 73 degrees, dew point 33 degrees, and the relative humidity 23%. The wind was north at 20 miles an hour. The pressure was 30.14 inches and falling. A quick look at the forecast for Childress and vicinity. Tonight, clear. Lows in the mid-40s. North winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. The 5:47 p.m. West Texas Mesonet observations brought to you as a collaborative effort between the National Weather Service and the Texas Tech National Wind Institute. Childress, 71 degrees with a north wind at 13 miles an hour. Precipitation today 0.01 inches. Rolling Springs was 70, wind north at 11. It was 70 at Sobran, north-northwest wind at 13. At Caprock Canyons, it was 70, wind north at 5. Turkey was 72, wind north at 14. Memphis was 72, wind north-northwest at 11, gusting to 19. It was 71 at Dozier, with a northwest wind at 9. Goodland, 73 with a north-northwest wind at 13. Paducah, 73 with a north wind at 13, gusting to 23. Northfield, 73, north-northeast at 13. Precipitation today 0.01 inches. Goodnight was 68, wind north at 14. Gallo Duro Canyon State Park Rim, 70 with a north-northwest wind at 8.
Well, some cool northerly winds today managed for some very pleasant conditions across all the region. Surface high pressure continued to filter through the rolling plains and south plains. But by tonight, and especially early tomorrow, that ridge of high pressure will begin moving off to our east, allowing those northerly winds to turn around to the south and southwest, but remain very tolerable for wind speeds go, especially for this time of year when the wind can certainly still blow. Tomorrow we're looking at those southwest winds generally 10 to 15 miles an hour only, with highs slowly creeping up a little closer to average this time of year, which is around 80 degrees for much of the region. Now, the story going into the weekend will feature even warmer temperatures as a ridge of high pressure continues to drift slowly east across the Rockies and into the Great Plains. It looks like that ridge will camp out for at least the first day or two next week before a welcome pattern change develops probably by Monday and Tuesday across New Mexico and very far west Texas. And that will accompany a very slow-moving upper-level low that should become camped out across the desert southwest for maybe a day or two before slowly moving east by the middle of next week. And at some point when that low does finally decide to lift out, that's when the South Plains of Texas will see its best rain chances. And for now, we're taking a stab at it generally late in the day on Tuesday, maybe into Tuesday night and early Wednesday for those chances, but that can certainly change as the details of that upper-level low become more certain in the coming days.
Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Childress and vicinity. Tonight, clear. Lows in the mid-40s. North winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Friday, sunny. Highs in the upper 70s. West winds around 5 miles an hour, shifting to the south in the afternoon. Friday night, mostly clear. Lows in the lower 50s. Southeast winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Saturday, sunny. Highs in the mid-80s. Saturday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the upper 50s. Sunday, mostly sunny. Highs in the upper 80s. Sunday night, partly cloudy. Lows in the lower 60s. Monday, mostly sunny. Highs in the mid 80s. Monday night, partly cloudy. Lows around 60. Tuesday, mostly sunny with a 20% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Tuesday night, mostly cloudy with a 30% chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the lower 60s. Wednesday, partly sunny with a 40% chance of thunderstorms. Highs in the lower 80s. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy until midnight, then becoming partly cloudy. A 40% chance of thunderstorms. Lows in the upper 50s. Thursday, sunny. Highs in the lower 80s. Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for the South Plains, rolling plains in the far southern Texas Panhandle. For tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Friday through Wednesday. Severe thunderstorms will be possible from Sunday through Wednesday, mainly across the South Plains and extreme southwestern Texas Panhandle. You're listening to NOAA Weather Radio, KJY97, the voice of the National Weather Service in Lubbock. This broadcast serves the southeast Texas Panhandle, northeast South Plains, northern rolling plains, and southwest